Welcome to the next part of the video. Question number 312. Fluent discharge accrete from nose but bland from eyes, better open in air and worse in warmth of room. Neuralgia stamp after imposition. Which of the following medicine indicated in such a patient is BLM CPA? This question number 313. Hemopia C only in lower half is A or met. Then question number 314. Toothache and from coffee drinking is the next bhumika. 315. Child crisis whole night but remains quiet during daytime. Which of the following medicines should be applicable? D. Jalapa. Question number 316. Which of the following medicine is applicable in case of eruption severely itching but ameliorated by warm application? Is D. Rumex. Then question number 317. Sensation of a great dryness without real thirst is B. Nux moschato. Question number 318. A lady is very thirsty with normal condition but develop complete aversion to drink water. Even the sight of water induce vomiting. Which of the following medicine may be applicable? Is D. Phosphorus. Question number 319. Sensation as if the thread of hanging down to the throat is D. Varellina offensalis. 3320. Question number. Gunshot diarrhea is seen in croton tea. Question number 321. Drawing pain of chest from breast scapula same side every time of child of nursing nipple every sore is a croton tignium. Question number 322. Nitricum acidum cover psora psychosis and syphilis. Cancerous degeneration of the cervix, cutting pain in abdomen, hemorrhage at every stool is C. Iodine. Question number 324. Which of the following medicine more applicable for crop of tiny boil mostly appearing on the face behind the ear etc. in summer is Calcarea sulf. Question number 325. Toothache relief by holding cold water in the mouth natrum sulf. Next question 326. Flapping of LANC all of the true except antimonium tarticum. Question number 327. Mercury is a vegetable analog is Miserium. Question number 328. Child repeats everything said to it is Jinkum met. Question number 329. Which of these of indicated contradictory and alternating state of symptom is A. Ignacia amara. 330 is indicated to changeable stool A. Pulsatilla. Question number 331. Which has a prominent property of syphilitic miasm is Phytolacca dendra. Question number 332. In these early months of pregnancy, the lady can lie comfortably only on abdomen. Medicine applicable is D. Podophyllum. Cough deep dry and proceed by paroxysm is A. Subaqueous nigra. Question number 334. Rarely repeated drug active pulmonary tuberculosis is D. Bacillinum. Question number 335. Baseless fear of impending poverty, talking of his business, delirium, like to lie listlessly. Which medicine is helpful to the patient is B. Brainia alba. Then question number 336. Fever returning annually, paroxysm every spring. C. Lycasis. Question number 337. All complementary except B. Moxol. Question number 338. The symptom of staph aureus include the all of the above. Question number 339. Heat and cold on vertex is B. Bertram album. Question number 340. Singles vehicles may have a bluish appearance is B. Ranunculus bulbous. Question number 314. Menorrhagia is scanty black acrid in bloody discharge. Which of the indicated medicine is C. Astilago. 342. Hers better when is noise. C. Graphitis. Question number 343. Every stool followed by thrust and every drink should be shuddering is C. Capsicum. Question number 344 is indicated after Annika Montana traumatic affection of the ovaries is A. Suriname. Then question number 345. Bad effect of from loss of sleep, mental excitement at night, watching feel weak. If lose they our sleep, convulsion after loss of sleep, and anger is grief is a cocculus indicus. Question number 346. After overaction from repeated dose belladonna, whooping cough is A. Stramonium. Question number 347. If the treatment of psoriatic cases, Hahnemann recommended sulfur with one of the following as a intercurrent remedy. Answer is A. Lycopodium.